Forest road before the sandstorm.
Hello!
Forest road after the sandstorm.
Gosh, there's so much sand on the road. Oh no! How can anyone drive through this mess? 911, the road is full of sand. Please come clean it up soon.
I'm on the way.
Few hours later.
Street sweeper is here. Alright, let's clean this up. Wow, it's all going down the drain.
How to build the watering sweeper truck. Number 1. Build the truck body. Gear motor and gear block. Front motor block. I'll make this part so the front wheels can turn left and right. Add the wheels. The brush. I'll need these 2 holders for the water pipe. Now, I'll build the cabin. Add the tank. Number 2. Build the pumping system. I'll use this built-in impeller block. Add the weight. The cover. Transfer gear. Now, I'll make the pipes to draw water from here. This pipe has small holes to spray water out. Then, add 2 L connectors. Attach 2 curved hoses. This T connector will join 2 curved hoses with the intake hose. Place the pipes to the truck. Connect to the battery box. The motor. Drive gear.
Wow!
Watering sweeper truck is done. Testing.
Let's hit the next road. Water's running out. It needs a refill.
Aha!
Almost done. Just a little more to go. My mission is complete.
Hooray! The road is clean again.
Woohoo! Yeah!
At an old waste treatment plant.
Everyone, we need to hurry up.
Are you okay?
We have to upgrade the process.
How to build the automatic waste treatment system. Step 1. Build the conveyors. Build the gears. The gear. Build the support structures. The conveyor. Connect to the battery. The conveyors run perfectly. Step 2. Set up. Garbage in, garbage out. Testing with Lego bricks. The machine works well.
Now we can start our work.
Glass bottles. The glass bottles are floating on the water. The glass bottles. They are being pushed up and falling into mill machine.
This system handles trash really quickly.
Cardboard boxes. They are also moving on the water. Perfect.
It's so great. Help me. Help me.
Oh no, Andy. Oh my God. I'll save you, don't worry.
Inside a slime factory.
Oh, when will my slime candy order be ready? Speed it up, or I'll dock your pay.
I'll do it right now, boss. Oh no, it's overloaded.
You've ruined my factory.
Wait, boss, let me fix it.
How to fix the slime factory. Build the slime dispenser. Build the mixing turntable. Testing. Build the forming press. Build the topping dispenser.
Slime candy factory is fixed, boss.
Get back to work, you fool.
Let's prepare ingredients.
Sugar. Jelly powder water.
This mixture seems good. Let's pour the jelly mixture into the molds.
Done.
Now add some money and some diamonds. Ice cubes inside the mold will solidify slime into candy. This candy is already shaped. It has some extra toppings. The first slime candy is done. I'll also finish the rest candies. Twinkle slime candy is done, boss.
I need more, you idiot.
You cruel boss. I'll add weapons and insects this time.
Dynamite. Weapon. Spider.
Poison slime candy has done.
Your rich slime candy has arrived.
Wow!
Can't wait to eat it.
I will see your factory.
You've all been arrested.
Help me, help me.
Give back my diamond.
It's gonna get me.
You're done.
How do I get out of this hole?
Return my diamond or suffer.
This acid slime is so scary. Stop it! Stop it!
How to build the automatic slime slide. Build the outlet gate. Set up the slides.
Making acid slime for yellow door.
This acid slime will burn you.
Get away from me, spiders.
Oh no, my diamond. I'll drown you in this lava slime.
Making lava slime. Help me, help me. I need to get out of here now.
You fool!
Making cyanide slime. Making poison slime. I don't want to be swallowed by those poison slimes. How lucky I survived. I'm rich now.
At Legoland Central Park.
Mommy, help.
Oh no, are you hurt? Help, we need an ambulance.
Stay calm. We're here to help. Just stay still. Start checking.
Can you hear me? I'm going to check your injuries now.
It hurts so much. Please, make the pain go away.
The treatment is complete. You're free to go.
Wow.
Thank you, Doctor.
How to build the mobile ambulance. Step 1. Build the ambulance body. Install the motor. Check operation. Step 2. Install emergency equipment. Intravenous drip. Hospital bed. Wheelchair. Install ambulance body into the frame.
Call an ambulance, please.
Are you alright? Hold on.
We'll do an X-ray to check for any fractures. The patient has a broken leg and a skull fracture. I will first provide first aid to the patient. The patient needs emergency transport. How to build the mobile X-ray unit. Step 1. Build the X-ray table. Install the motor. Step 2. Build the X-ray machine. X-ray monitor. Install X-ray machine into X-ray table. Testing. Oh no, the horrifying battle between the two Godzillas has left many people injured.
Help me, help! The pain is too much.
I'm going to examine now.
I can't take it anymore.
We will perform an ultrasound to check the injury.
We need help. There are many patients here.